For a polynomial p of x, the value of p of 3 is minus 2. Which of the following must be true about p of x? Okay, I'll take my time to solve this question, okay? I know you don't have time in the SAT, but we are studying this question. Okay, every time you have a division, you have a quotient and a remainder. I can express this as the dividend x is equal to the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. I use this as my main concept. Let me create space here. Okay. X minus 5 is a factor of p of x. Okay. P of x divided by x minus 5 gives me a quotient and remainder 0 because I have divisibility here. Okay. So let's do p of 3. P of 3 is minus 2. If I put in the place of x 3, I need to put in the place of x 3. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay? The quotient. P of 3 is minus 2. So the quotient will be 1. What does that mean? That this is true only when the quotient is 1. So it's not always true. I need this question is recurrent in the SAT. Okay, this is a classic in the SAT. The way that I do this, because many questions are like this. So in this question, only when the quotient is 1, this happens. So must be always true. When I finish this question, you understand, okay, what he wants. Let's go to the second one, B. P of x needs to be divisible by x minus 2 because x minus 2 needs to be a factor of p of x. So the quotient and the remainder 0. P of 3. So 3 here will be 1 and p of 3 is minus 2. So the quotient is minus 2. Only when the quotient is minus 2 this happens. So not always is true. Let's follow. P of x needs to be divisible by x plus 2. Is a quotient with the remainder 0. So again, 3 here, 5, minus 2. Okay, this is not even divisible. Is that okay? So, not always true. Finally, the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 3, I have a quotient and the remainder minus 2. Let's put in that format. P of x, the dividend, is the quotient times the divisor plus the remainder. So, minus 2. Okay, plus minus is minus. Okay, P of 3 is minus 2. Quotient here needs to be 3 because I'm substituting here 3. 3 minus 3 minus 2. Look, this will be 0. Q, whatever it is, times 0 is 0. So minus 2 is equal minus 2. Minus 2 is always equal minus 2 for whatever is the value of p of x. So is D will be always true.